Okay, we are still on paragraph. So I'm going to highlight this. Take it by default. It's on the left hand side, as you can see. You can press Ctrl+L to take the text or sentences to the left hand side, or you press this icon. So I'm going to put this to center. With this, click on this to take it to center, or you press Ctrl+E to take the center. So I'm going to put this to the right hand side. So justify, to achieve justify, okay, let me copy and paste this. So as you can see, it is aligned on the left hand side, but not aligned at the right hand side. So if you want to achieve that to be aligned on both sides, all you need to do is to highlight the text, then you click on justify. So you can see it has aligned here and align on this side as well. So the next thing is the paragraph, line and spacing paragraph. So what do we use this for? So by default, there is a set paragraph attached to this page. So if you need to do that, all you need to do is to click on this. Then you can set the paragraph or line spacing to 1.0 or 1.15 or 1.5 or 2.0, which usually called double line spacing. And you can decide to remove space after paragraph, then start inputting or selecting your space. So I'm going to put 2.0 spacing. Can you see? Okay, fine. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is shading. So shading, if you want to shade a complete part of a page or a line, all you need to do is to highlight the line like this, or click from the left side. Just click on the left side, come to the shading, then pick a color of your choice and select it. Can you see? So it's different from highlight. The major difference here is that when you highlight a text and apply a color, it will apply to the only text, but in the case of shading, it will shade the whole line. So if I highlight all this, it's going to shade the whole line for me, as you can see, up to this place. So the next thing we are going to look out is border. So what are the borders? Borders are like table. So I want to give a border line to this line of text or sentences. Okay, so you click on this to take from the list of options. I have bottom border, I have top, I have left, I have right, no border at all, or all border, which means up, down, left and right, outside border, inside border when you have multiple of text, so you can have inside border. So I'm going to use bottom border, then I'm going to, let's take this out so you'll be able to see it very well, and take this down. Okay, good. So this is border. So to remind you, we can have a thick line border and a color border as well. So to access the border menu, come to the border and shading. So this is the border menu. So presently, this represents the bottom, this represents the up, this represents the left, and this represents the right. So if I'm going to change the style of the border, if I'm going to change it to this, I'm going to click this, then I need to reapply it to the same position, then press OK. You can see. So border and shading again. Now under the border and shading, I can decide to use a color. Can you see? All you need to do is to click to apply it, then you press OK. Now we are going to page border. Now what do we use page border for? The whole page, you can decide to put a border to whole page or a single page of a document, the whole document or a single page of the document. Now we have different style of doing that. It can be a border box. It can be a border box that is just a line all through from all the angles, or you select a design from here, then you apply it. While you can reduce the width of the border, that is the boldness, and you can as well apply a certain color to it. Can you see? And you can decide to use art border. So in this case, is going to use this as a border instead of the line. So you can scroll. You can see this is the border I'm going to pick. I can reduce it to some certain percentage or point. Then here you now tell the system, apply to this section only, apply to first page only, or apply to all except the first page. So I'm going to apply to the whole document, then come to the option. Then I can decide to make the border align with the text. And you see it is aligned with the paragraph and text. Then you can adjust the point at the top, at the bottom, in the left and the right. So you can adjust it. So I'm going to put this to 2 point, and it's okay. Now I'm going to press OK. So now the system will apply the border. Can you see? The border has been applied to this. So